You know that feeling when you have this amazing dream and you want it to come true so badly? Well, that's where manifestation comes in, and what an exciting journey it is when you begin to see it work. Now, it all starts with a tiny thought that turns into a powerful energy force, attracting all the good things that you desire into your life. But here's the secret sauce to make this magic work even better: understanding the role of vibration in manifestation. So in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to raise your vibration so that you can manifest whatever you want faster. So stay tuned. Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now today I'm going to show you 4 vibration boosting hacks that will help you to align with the frequency of abundance. So imagine your vibration as your personal energy meter. So the more that you raise your vibration, the happier, the more peaceful, the more positive that you'll feel. And then guess what? That energy draws abundance and joy and prosperity right to you like a magnet. But when your vibe is low, you might be feeling stressed or worried or disconnected. Well, that's what you'll end up attracting more of. That's why it's so important to learn how to raise your vibration for manifestation. So when you do this, you'll be like a manifestation superstar, attracting all of the good things that you want in your life and feeling amazing while you're doing it. Okay, so here are 4 supercharged ways to elevate your vibration and start manifesting your dreams like a pro. Number 1 is breath work for energetic release. So did you know that your breath is one of the most powerful tools for releasing stagnant energy and emotions? The simple act of doing breath work can have a great effect on your brain and your nervous system. That's why deep, intentional breathwork practices like pranayama, breath of fire, holotropic breathwork, they can all help to clear energetic blockages and rejuvenate your system and elevate your vibrational frequency. So through conscious breathing, we can invite positive energy and clarity into our lives, making it easier to manifest our desires. Okay, so number 2 is emotional release techniques. Emotional baggage can create energetic blockages that hinder our manifestation efforts. And by becoming aware of it and then releasing negative emotions or limiting beliefs, we can create space for positive experiences to just flow in. This is why I love journaling and emotional freedom technique, or EFT, so much. They are both very effective practices that empower you to let go of the past and to raise your energy frequency almost instantly. Okay, number 3 is harnessing the power of sound healing. So did you know that sound vibrations have a profound impact on our energy field? Our bodies are made up of vibrating energy, and each organ has its unique frequency. So when we listen to music, the sound waves interact with our bodies, and it can help us to restore a state of balance and a state of harmony. Isn't that amazing? Just listening to healing frequencies and using singing bowls is another great way to raise your vibration. Okay, now number 4 is chakra cleansing and balancing. So by now, you probably know that our 7 chakras are vital energy centers in our body. And when they're all balanced and flowing freely, they support our overall well-being, and they help us with our manifestation abilities. So when these energy centers are out of whack and out of balance, we may start to experience worry or fear or depression, or even we might fall ill. The good news is that simply by spending time in nature or practicing gratitude, you can cleanse and balance your chakras. And every time you do this, you remove any energetic blockages and ensure a smooth energy flow throughout your entire system. Now, knowing which of your 7 chakras needs to be balanced or healed is really important, because each energy center is responsible for a different part of your body and a different part of your life. So if you're not sure, I highly encourage you to take my free chakra quiz. Now, it only takes 45 seconds, but you'll uncover which of your 7 energy centers needs healing, and we'll tell you exactly how to do it. So it's completely free and it is super accurate.